So what's up guys, I'm Mesh from 𝐒𝐿𝐾 and today I'm going to show you that why your device is charging slow and how you can solve it, and also if you have a fast charger, will it charge your device faster or not. So before getting started, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this one. Okay, so the problem can occur for three types of reason. Okay, so the first one is the adapter. Okay, this part, the adapter. The second one is the cable. The cable is the most common one, and the last one is your smartphone. Okay, so these are the three reasons that your smartphone can charge slow. So the thing is, we need to identify which is the reason that our smartphone is charging slow. So for that, you need to have an app to measure the juice your device is getting from the charger or from the outlet. Okay, so for that, just go to Play Store and download this app called Ampere. Okay, I will also provide the link in the description below. I have already downloaded the app. So after downloading the app, then just open it. This app will just show you that how much juice your device is getting with the charger. Okay, so after opening that, then just take the original charger of your device that came with the box. Okay, the manufacturer's original charger, just take it. So in my case, the white one, as you can see in the screen, this is my original manufacturer charger. Okay, so here I will show you that in your manufacturer's original charger, you will see something like 5 volt 2 amp or 10 volt 1 amp or something like that. As you can see in my case, it is 5 volt 2 amp. Okay, so 1 amp means 1000 milliampere, so 2 amp means 2000 milliampere. So my charger can charge up to 2000 milliampere. So due to technical difficulties, I can expect around 1800 or 1700 milliampere. Okay, so as you can see, I have plugged it with my smartphone and it is saying measuring. So give it couple of minutes, 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, and just give it the time to settle. Okay, so at first it will increase slowly and slowly. So when it settles, then you can see that how much juice your device is getting. Okay, so in my case, it is getting around 1000, which is not up to the mark. I should expect around 1700 or 1800 from a 2000 milliampere device, 2000 milliampere charger. So there is a problem, so we need to find the problem. Okay, so at first, if you are facing something similar problem, then just change the cable. This would be the first step. Okay, just change the cable, take any working cable and take any working fine cable, and then just swap it with your cable, and then check that if your problem is fixed or not. If it fixed your problem, then the problem was with your cable. So as you can see that I am just taking out the cable, and I have a working cable around me. It is with another, it is a cable of another device. Just take the working cable. Okay, so just take it and then plug it with your device. So as you can see that I will just plug it with my charger. Okay, and then we will see that if it fixes our problem or not. So just plug it with the outlet and then just plug it with our device. So as you can see that it is saying measuring, so we'll give it around 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so it is saying it's still measuring, so just wait a bit, and as you can see it is already at 1700. So it is quite improvement. So we can see that the fault was with our cable. Okay, after changing the cable, now we are getting up to the performance. So the problem was with our cable. So if you have a same problem and the solution is cable, then I would suggest you to change the cable and buy a new cable from your device manufacturer or any good quality cable. Okay, so in this case I just need to change the cable. So if after changing the cable your problem is still persists, then the problem may be with your adapter. Okay, so in this case I would suggest you to take another adapter, another working adapter, but don't take any adapter. Okay, you need to just match with the original adapters milliampere and voltage. In my case it was 5 volt and 2 ampere, so I need to take another adapter that is also of 5 volt and 2 amperes. Okay, so then you can just check that if it fixes your problem or not. If after changing the charging adapter your problem is fixed, then the problem was with your adapter. So then I would suggest you to buy a new adapter with the same output voltage, which is 5 volt 2 amp in my case. Okay, in your case it could be different, but you need to just check the voltage, output voltage, it should be same. That is the main case. Okay, so after if you see that after changing the cable or adapter your problem still persists, then the problem could be with your smartphone. Okay, so in your smartphone the problem can occur for two types of reason. One is software update and another one is your devices in internal functionality. Okay, so in terms of software, just at first just go to the forum of your device and then check that if recently your device received any OT update or not, if other people are also facing the same problem. Okay, so as you can see I have a fast charger lying around. So now I will show you, if you have a fast charger, will it charge your device faster or not. So the main thing is, yes, it will charge faster, but your device should be supported. Okay, so in my case my device support quick charge 3, so it is a quick charge 3 charger, so I can expect that it will work with my device. Okay, so the thing is there are many types of standard. Okay, there are like Qualcomm quick charge, so which will work with Qualcomm processors smartphone. There are warp for one charge for OnePlus devices, it will work only with OnePlus devices. And there are Samsung's fast charging, and every other manufacturers have different types of fast charging technology. Okay, so they will work with their manufacturers only. So if you take Samsung's fast charge, it will not work with OnePlus and it will not charge OnePlus device faster. Okay, and you can see that there, if it works, then you can see a different types of sign. As you can see in my case the sign was like that. Okay, so that was the video about why your device is charging slow and how you can find out the problem. So hope it helps for you. If it helps for you, then please hit the like button, and please also let me know that in the comment section below that if you are facing any problem or not. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. Okay, and here are some similar videos I will provide in the playlist or here in the video, so don't forget to check that out. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.